Hi, this is Sarah Young. Welcome to ArticleIncomeBlueprint.com, lesson number 10. Today is a quick lesson. We're going to learn about RSS feeds. RSS stands for Really Simple Syndication, and it's a great way to let people know about your articles. When you're on a site and you see a red or orange button like this, that means that it has an RSS feed. When you see an orange button like this in your browser, that means that you can click it to get an RSS feed. This is what it looks like in Firefox. Soon I'm going to show you what it looks like in Internet Explorer. But you should be able to see it in any browser that you use. Let's go to my author page, Shelly Clements, which is my pen name, and get the RSS feed for that. I'll show you what it looks like. So first I clicked on my name to get to my expert author page. And now I'm going to click on the orange button here to get to the RSS feed. So this is what the RSS feed looks like. This feed gets updated every time you add an article, and people who are interested in your material can use it either in an RSS reader or on their own sites, and it's a way for them to easily get your articles. In this lesson, we're going to submit your RSS feed to RSS sites. Just having your feed on these sites will give you extra links to your articles. The cool thing about it is that you only have to do it once, and these feeds will get updated automatically every time that you add an article. In addition to the links you get out of it at the RSS sites, if somebody decides to subscribe to your feed, you will be getting more links. Let's see for a second what it looks like on Internet Explorer. Here we are at Internet Explorer and my author page. And here is the RSS button for Internet Explorer. I click on it and I get to the RSS feed page. On the bottom of this video, I include links to sites where you can submit your RSS feed. It's really easy, simple, and quick, so it's not going to take you a long time. Keep in mind that in addition to your articles, you can also submit RSS feeds of a lot of other things that you'll be doing. For example, your social bookmarking sites. Let's take Reddit for example. If you want to get the RSS feed for your profile, you first log in and then you click here on your profile name. Now that you have what you submitted on the page, you click on the orange button here like we've discussed before. You copy this and you can submit it to the RSS feeds that I will show you now. So first we're going to go to a site called Feedplex, and we're going to add our RSS feed to Feedplex. So we copy the URL of our RSS feed and we go to Feedplex and we enter it here. Here we put our email address. Click on Add URL. And that's it. You've successfully suggested your website to Feedplex. We're not guaranteed that they're going to add our site, but we have submitted it, and we're just going to go one by one to other sites, the sites that are listed below this video, and submit them too. Let's do another one. Here we go. It says please enter feed URLs, one per line, and you submit it. That's it. Each site has their own way of adding feeds, but it's usually just finding the area where you need to enter the feed and clicking on submit. Sometimes you give them your email address. Sometimes you need to register in order to do it. I'll show you one more. Here's a site called 2RSS. Let's find where we're going to add our RSS feed. And here, suggest RSS feed. So we enter the URL, which we copied before, and a category. This one requires a category. So we're going to choose as a category shopping, and the description, I'd like to use the word bear paw boots in the description, so I'm just going to write all about bear paw boots and add. And that's it. That's how we add the RSS feeds. And now every time you add an article, it will be added to your RSS feed on the sites that we've submitted to. This has been a quick lesson. You've worked very hard. You deserve to have a quick lesson with not a lot of work. This has been Sarah Young from ArticleIncomeBlueprint.com, lesson number 10.